What is this? What is this? This is a pencil. This is a pencil. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Can you cook? Can you cook? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Did you get a new job? Did you get a new job? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. What time is it? What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the bookshop. I am going to the bookshop. How is the weather? How is the weather? It is sunny. It is sunny. How do you feel today? How do you feel today? I feel happy today. I feel happy today. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading a book. I am reading a book. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Who is that? Who is that? That is my teacher. That is my teacher. Can you swim? Can you swim? No, I can't swim. No, I can't swim. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are playing soccer. They are playing soccer. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? My hobby is drawing. My hobby is drawing. What are you eating? What are you eating? I am eating pancake. I am eating pancake. Do you like to exercise? Do you like to exercise?
What?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like cats? Do you like cats? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Where are you? Where are you? I am at the office. I am at the office. Who are they? Who are they? They are my brothers. They are my brothers. It is cold. It is cold. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Are you sick? Are you sick? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Where have you traveled to? Where have you traveled to? I have traveled to London. I have traveled to London. What does your father do? What does your father do? He is a pilot. He is a pilot. What is the color of the bus? What is the color of the bus? The bus is yellow. The bus is yellow. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? This is my book. This is my book. What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is hiking. My favorite sport is hiking. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go to school by bike. I go to school by bike. What day is today? What day is today? Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. What month is it? What month is it? It is September. It is September. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is February. My birthday is February.